All right, I'm back finally in town. Boy, I've been all my followers on Twitter. I'm at Accurano have been tweeting me, and now I finally have a chance to look at this storm. Here's our upper low. This is the beginning. All right, it's not the only thing. Pretty good upper low, isn't it? Now there's going to be snow that goes across Indiana, Ohio, and into Pennsylvania tonight into tomorrow. I'm going to deal with Monday night into Tuesday. We have an hourly video that we're doing totally dedicated on this. The other thing this satellite shows you is, this is one ingredient, but boy, just as important is this. That's the storm that brought the snow a couple days ago. And because it's kind of closed off, it's intensified, it's causing a roadblock in the atmosphere. So this storm is slowly moving. You look up here, other energy is coming to the south and east, and that just causes a big train wreck in the atmosphere. Everything slows down. The other thing this storm is doing, and if I'm talking about big snowstorm, you know what I'm also looking at. Yeah, you're getting a fresh injection of Arctic air coming in. When I analyzed my map today, as soon as I got in here, and look at this high across Ontario, Arctic air bleeding, it's like you had me at hello. I knew that there was going to be a big storm. Has to be, because you've got the storm, now you have the Arctic air to overrun, and now everything is set. And I think the atmosphere is already telling you where this is going to be, where the bullseye is going to be. It's going to be in New England, west of Boston. All right, I want to go over the upper air. Again, we're starting here. Here's our upper low, but the key is you've got an upper low here, and then you've got all this energy diving to the south into this upper low, so it's going to cause it to strengthen. So here we go, 12Z Monday. So Monday morning, here's our upper low all the way down in the Georgia. All right, maybe snow in Huntsville and mountains of west of Tennessee and North Carolina. Watch what happens. That's Monday morning, Monday night. Now, notice what happens, the tilt of the trough. It's going negative. So what you're now doing is you're bringing all this Atlantic moisture and you're ramming it into that fresh injection of cold air. So Monday morning, Monday evening, Tuesday after, this is going to be Tuesday morning. Look at this. Now you go from a tilted, negatively tilted trough to an upper low that's closed off. Look at this, down to 528, and then look what happens. It sits here and goes down even more, and that's Tuesday night, all right? So you have a strengthening upper low. Look at that, and that's going to cause the surface panel, the surface storm. So here we are Monday night. Look at this storm, 996. Look what it goes down to in 12 hours time. So this is Monday night, Tuesday morning. It goes down to 984, then it goes to 980, and don't forget you have a big high up in here. So now you're going to be driving the wind out of the northeast. You may have hurricane force wind gusts along coastal parts of Massachusetts, out on the Cape with this storm. And since you're intensifying it, you know what happens. You're going to start increasing the upward motion on the back end of this, and it's just going to thump hard with snow. And you already have the cold air there. Now, I'm worried about a dry tongue coming into Boston because of the location of the upper low, and that's going to hold down accumulations. Here's the starting time, 7 o'clock Sunday night. By Monday morning, it's snowing in New York City, but I want to stress that the big snows Monday night into Tuesday morning, and with an intensifying storm like this, you're going to get thunder and lightning with this, and it's going to be along the edge of the Arctic boundary, so I think you're going to see lots of thunder snow across southern New England. Late Monday night, Tuesday morning, and you're going to start getting snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour, probably 2 to 3 in some areas, especially west of the upper low track. So that's going to be from Worcester, Hartford, northern New Jersey, okay, as this strengthens. This is where the worst of the storm is going to be, including New York City. For Philadelphia, it's a bad storm for you. I don't want to underplay it, but this is where the storm has the ability to shut stuff down. And I think that's going to be New York City. Monday night, Tuesday morning, I think the wind and the snow is going to be so heavy, there's thunder and lightning, that's going to shut things down. That extends all the way up into Boston, into Portland, and eventually into Maine. All right. Here's our accumulations here. I like what we have. Philadelphia, 6 to 12, I think you're going to get awfully close to a foot. And again, this is Monday afternoon through Wednesday back here. Northeastern Pennsylvania, 6 to 12, Allentown, Reading, Scranton. You start getting a little farther west toward Bloomsburg, Harrisburg. Again, Monday night into Tuesday, you know, you have snow on the front end here coming in Sunday night into Monday, but I think there's an additional couple of inches 2 to 4 in Harrisburg or so. All right, here's the 1 to 2 feet of snow. I think Boston, you're going to get a foot of snow. I'm worried you're going to get dry-tongued a little bit here. We have 1 to 2 feet for Boston. I have no reason to change that. New York City, 1 to 2 feet. Albany, 1 to 2 feet. Up to 95 in Maine, 1 to 2 feet of snow. Here's your bullseye, and I would extend it. Southern parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, Worcester, Hartford, Northwest Hills in New Jersey, southern and central parts of the Hudson Valley. I think you're over 2 feet of snow in here. All kind of blowing and drifting. It's going to shut everything down. Monday night into Tuesday. I think I got everybody. Now, look at this map. Here are the accumulations. I want to show this again. In this hatched area is where there's the worst of the storm. So from New York City, Boston, Portland, things are just going to be blown shut by this storm because of the tremendous winds. It's going to be a blizzard. Philadelphia, we talked about. Washington, D.C., I think 2 to 4, 3 to 5 inches of snow, and there will be some wind as well, and travel here is not going to be good Monday night. But the worst of the storm is to the northeast. Everybody take a look at this snowfall map so you can see it. If you have any questions, you can ask me and follow me on Twitter. I'm at Accurano. Epic storm coming. I'm on board. These accumulations certainly say that.